I was sent this bedding set to review from Where the Polka Dots Roam, so let's take a closer look. I'm totally getting Care Bear vibes. I don't know why. This pattern is so cute. We've got popsicles, rainbows, unicorns. Oh my goodness. They are all going in one direction, which I like. So you won't have anything that's like upside down or all over the place. It comes with one flat sheet with a nice hem at the top. The pattern is not on the inside, but it does go through a bit. So it's just single-sided, single layer. It comes with 2 pillowcases. These are standard opening and closure. It's not a zipper, it's not an envelope, just open on one end. And again, you've got that nice hem. And then you've got one fitted sheet that has very nice and stretchy elastic, 360 degree the whole way around. More vibrant than pastel, but not like super vibrant, kind of in between. Product page says that it is stain resistant, moisture wicking. It's nice and soft, but it doesn't quite feel like the sheets I'm used to. I don't even know how to describe it. It's not like a waterproof material. It's not rough, but it's also not like the super like Egyptian cotton kind of feel either. It's kind of in between, and I like it, and I love the print. Super cute. They do have some other designs. They have it in twin, full, and queen. I was sent the full set, which is a little unfortunate because we don't have a full-size bed to demo it on. We just have twins for our kids. I'm gonna go shop for the correct size now because I really love it, and I know you will too.